In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan receipts in QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and how to upload receipts so they're ready for review and bookkeeping. This helps you keep clean records for taxes, reimbursements, and all-around tidy accounting. Start by opening QuickBooks Online in your browser and sign into your company. Once you're in, look to the left-hand navigation. We're heading to the accounting area, which is where QuickBooks centralizes key bookkeeping tools. Depending on your layout, you may see it labeled as accounting or grouped under transactions. Either way, we're going to the place where you manage financial items connected to your books. Inside that area, select Receipts. This takes you to the Receipts workspace, the hub for capturing and organizing receipt images and PDFs. Think of this page as your inbox for expense documents. Anything you add here will be held in one place so you can review it later and match it to the correct transactions. If it's your first time on this page, take a second to get familiar with the layout. You'll see an upload button, a list of items as they come in, and statuses that show what's processing. Now, click Upload from Device. A file picker will open. Choose the receipt files saved on your computer like JPGs, PNGs, or PDFs. For best results, make sure your images are clear, not cropped too tightly, and include the entire receipt with vendor, date, and total visible. If you have multiple receipts, you can select more than one file at once to save time. After you confirm, QuickBooks starts uploading and reading the details. Keep the tab open while it processes, especially for larger files. When the upload finishes, you should see your receipt appear in the list. QuickBooks often needs a moment to extract information such as vendor, amount, and date. If you don't see the item right away, or if the status seems stuck, refresh the page to nudge it along. That quick refresh usually brings new uploads into view. If a file still doesn't show, double-check that it's saved correctly on your computer and wasn't blocked by your browser. That's all there is to it. Go to QuickBooks, open the accounting area, select Receipts, and upload from your device. A couple of quick tips to wrap up. Avoid uploading the same receipt twice to prevent duplicates, and consider naming your files with the date and vendor so they're easy to spot later. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in QuickBooks Online.